Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hedra AI. Imagine making your pictures talk or sing using AI. Today, I'll introduce you to Hedra AI, a tool that helps create videos with images and voices. It's great for storytelling and social media.
This video is created by an AI tool, yes. Now you can create hyper-realistic talking and singing avatars. And this one is called Hedra. This tool is available for you to use at no cost. As I scroll down, you can see some videos created by the community. This specific model is called the Hedra Character 1, indicating that more versions will be released in the future. Scrolling down further, you can see some upcoming features from this company, including the possible launch of an AI video generator. Let's begin our journey to create a talking avatar with Hedra AI. Open your browser and search for Hedra AI on a search engine. Click on the first link in the search results. Then select Sign In to create an account. Once logged in, click on Try Beta to access the Hedra AI Talking Avatar Generator page. On this page, you'll see 3 tabs. The first tab is for audio input, where you can upload or record the audio that the avatar will speak. The second tab is for character input, allowing you to select or customize the avatar's appearance. The last tab is for the output video, where you can preview and download the final video of your talking avatar. Okay, first we need to generate an audio. So just describe in the prompt section what you want the AI to say, like this about Hedra tool. Now it is limited to 300 characters for long text. You can divide the text into smaller parts and create separate sections. You can select a sound you have. A few choices, select the sound. Now, next we have to describe our character. So let's say young women with an innocent, sweet smile and dreamy eyes and wearing a blouse of delicate made of fabric, yarn, or thread in an open web-like pattern. And here we have a couple of options, like you can randomize the prompt, and next we have some setting. So you can also add the negative prompt in it, and you can change the seed number, hit create. And here is this character is ready. Okay, let's generate video. Okay, the video is ready and it's really fast. It only took around 30 seconds. Let's watch this video.
It can turn text into speech, sync lip movements in many languages, and add natural expressions to characters. This is great for creators, teachers.
You can download the result from here and share the result from here. Your generation will be added in this section. By pressing the 3 dots, you have options to download, share, and delete the result for the second example. Now let's try the same thing with any real person and a human character. And I'm going to use this image, and this time I'll be using this dialogue, and the voice will be same, and hit the upload button and simply upload your picture. So once you upload your picture and hit generate. Okay, so this is the output video.
It can turn text into speech, sync lip movements in many languages, and add natural expressions to characters. This is great for creators, teachers, and marketers.
And let's see, you can even upload a song. We have to select the import audio option from here to upload the audio clip. After coming to this page, drag and drop the song, or click here to upload the audio. At this moment, you can generate lip sync with a maximum 30-second long audio here. You can select the audio link you want to use. After selecting the audio, come to the character section this time. Now hit the generate video button from here. And here it is, our video is ready.
Afraid it isn't worth it. The vulnerability, the fear, the pain. What if you don't understand? What if you walk away? Trying to find the strength to ask. If you're gonna say no, say so fast. Can I trust you with my heart? Can I show you who I am from the very start?
Hedra AI is free to use right now. So what are you waiting for? Go check it out at hedra.com. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the coolest AI stuff. Goodbye.